were the key moments of testimony in week 2 of this trial?
I mean, clearly Dr. Chauvin was huge. I mean, solid witness, solid background. I mean, an expert in his field and a world-renowned expert. So that was a very strong, powerful testimony on the side of the prosecution. Now, things might have changed a little bit today with Dr. Baker testifying. And today, it was an interesting day today, I thought, because for the first time, I could see the defense scoring some points here when related to the cause of death. I mean, we understand the cause of death is going to be the main issue here. What truly killed or caused the death of Mr. Floyd? Is it his drug use, the hypertension, the heart disease, the exertion involved, or is it the knee or the restraint, in this case, by Officer Chauvin? And that's where the true battle is. And we could see a little bit of that today with the medical examiner for Hennepin County testifying. And it was an interesting one, I have to admit, because he really gave the defense a few points that they had not gotten this week. And that was that there are other contributing factors here to the death, including hypertension, some of the other issues, the drugs, the fentanyl, the methamphetamine. They talked about narrowing of the coronary arteries. So what the defense attorney is trying to do here is plant the seeds of reasonable doubt. All he has to do is show that there could have been something else that caused the death here. He doesn't have to prove it, but he has to have some other reasonable ground, right? Some other reason. And those were points that he scored. And I mean, the prosecution came back and kind of rehabilitated him, having him restate what his final decision was or what he thought, and also having him say that he believed that this was homicide. So it was, in a way, a good way of ending it with the prosecution, but I think they could have done a much better job with this witness as far as the prosecution is concerned.